Is this Global International Hospital?
Yes, what's the problem?
My father is suffering from breathing problem. He is in critical stage. Is any doctor available right now?
I'm sorry, it's midnight. There is no doctor available right now. Anyway, I will try. Please bring patient to the hospital as soon as possible.
Okay, ma'am, I will bring.
At doctor's home.
Doctor came to home and relaxed.
Ring, ring. Hello sir, there is an emergency case. An old man came with breathing problem.
Okay, I will be there in 10 minutes. Please keep necessary equipment.
Okay sir.
Hello? Hello, it is emergency. Come to hospital. Okay.
At hospital, treatment is going on.
Go and buy necessary medicines immediately.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have money right now.
What is this? This is an emergency situation. Go and take it medicines from emergency kit.
Okay sir.
Operation done to patient. Can I see my father now?
He is alright.
Thank you so much, doctor. You saved my father's life. I am grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Dear daughter, it's our duty to save lives.
Thank you so much, doctor. This kit is performed to recognize the hard work of the doctors and thank all of them. We should always respect doctors as they save people's lives.